Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix disconnected from server on Roblox mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you are getting disconnected from a server whenever you are trying to play a game on Roblox, then the first thing to make sure is that you are using a stable internet connection. If you have a weak internet, then you might be kicked out again and again from the server, or your server might be disconnected. So in that case, simply check your Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can also try switching between them. And once you have the stable internet connection, you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to close off Roblox application from running on your background. Once you do that, open up your game launcher again and tap open Roblox, and once you restart your game, it might be able to fix your issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your software. Simply open up your settings on your Android phone, and from the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the software update button and give it a tap. Tap on download and install at the very top and download the latest software available on your mobile device. Once you have the software ready to install, tap on install now and get the latest software for your Android phone. Once you have the latest update, go and tap open Roblox and see if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't work, the next thing to do is to clear out your cache data from Roblox. Open up settings from your Android and from the settings menu, tap on apps. From the app list, search for Roblox and tap it on. From the app info page, tap on storage. Tap clear cache at the bottom right, and after you clear out the cache data from your Roblox application, go back to your game launcher and open up Roblox and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes that could work whenever you are disconnected from server on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.